This is an example of the Form 95. This example is filled in. It makes some assumptions. Mr. Michael Smith was injured because a Bonneville Power employee ran a red light, crashed into his car, broke his leg and his arm. So let's take a look now and scroll down and talk about the purpose of this video, which is what amount to ask for in this form. The property damage is what in a car crash will be the cost of replacing the car, same value car. Incidental stuff like clothing that may have been ruined when the hospital had to cut off the clothing of the person to get the leg splint and arm splint on, things like that. The big money is in the personal injury column, and there are two mistakes that can be made. Number one is putting too low an amount, because this is an upper limit on what you can get unless you can prove that there is evidence discovered after you file the tort claim form. So you don't want to have a low amount that cuts you off. Secondly, if it's too high, if it's an outrageously high number, then it will give a bad impression to the assistant U.S. attorney, so you won't be able to settle the case. And then if you can't settle the case, the judge might be unimpressed by your greed if you have too high an amount, and so you'll get a lower award because what you need to ask for is a full amount with some negotiating room, but not anything ridiculous. So setting these amounts, in my opinion, is best done by someone with some experience in the field.